How's your life going on? Today we are going to talk the next part of narration. So here we go. We will take some examples. He has said, I am innocent. Okay. He has said, I am innocent. Okay. So indirect, he has said that. Okay. He is innocent. Okay. He has said that he is innocent. Now question is that, okay, why we did not do was here? Okay. So question is that why we did not convert am into was? Okay. So answer will be that reporting speech, okay, or reporting class, if it is in present tense, okay, the tense of reported speech will not be changed. Okay. So it represents present perfect tense. It is in present tense. Okay. So the tense of reported speech will not be changed. Okay. Second example, Aarti will say, Bharti is honest. Aarti will say Bharti is honest. Okay. So if I convert it, Aarti will say that. Okay. Bharti is honest. Okay. What is Aarti will say that Bharti is honest. Okay. Now I did not convert the tense of reported speech. Okay, because if reporting speech or reporting class is in future tense. Okay, if it is in future tense, okay, the tense of reported speech will not be changed. Okay, so this condition applies on present and future. Present and future. If reporting class or reporting speech is in present tense or future tense, okay, the tense of reported speech will not be changed. Okay. Next. Now we will talk about imperative sentences. Okay. Now we will talk about imperative sentences. Said, don't make a noise. Okay. She said, do your work. Okay. The teacher said, don't make a noise. She said, do your work. He said, open the gate. Open the door. Okay. So we will convert sad into requested, ordered, advised. Okay, requested, ordered, advised. Okay, we will use, okay, we will convert said into requested, ordered, advised in imperative sentences, right? Suppose that the doctor said to the patient, take light food. The doctor said to the patient, take light food. Okay, so the doctor now said to advised the patient to take light food. Okay, said to will be converted into advised. Okay, and the connector will be to here. Okay, once again, imperative sentences. Okay, it shows order, request, warn, advice. Okay, so the doctor advised the patient to take light food. Okay, next, the teacher said to me, do your work. The teacher said to me, do your work. Okay, so the teacher ordered me to do my work. Okay, the teacher ordered me to do my work. Okay, next, he said, don't play in the sun. He said, don't play in the sun. So he forbade me. Okay, we can assume me to play in the sun. Okay, he forbade me to play in the sun. Okay, forbade mana karna. Okay, that's why we have not used not here. Okay, he forbade me to play in the sun. Okay, or we can also write here, he advised me not to play in the sun. Okay, if we use forbade, we will not use to. Okay, if I write here advised, he advised me not to play in the sun. Okay, we have to use not. Okay, he advised me not to play in the sun. Next, the teacher said to the students ne- never waste your time. Okay. The teacher said to the students, never waste. The teacher said to the students, never waste your time. Okay. So the teacher advised the students never to waste their time. Okay, what? The teacher advised the students never to waste their time. Okay, so once again, we pay attention. The doctor said to the patient, take light food. So the doctor advised, okay, the patient to take light food. Next, the teacher said to me, do your work. The teacher ordered me, okay, to do my work. Okay, connector is to here, okay, and we have used ordered. We converted said to in ordered. Okay, he said, don't play in the sun. Okay, so he forbade me to play in the sun. Okay, if we use forbade, we will not use to. So we will not use not. Okay, he advised me not to play in the sun. Okay, if we use advised, okay, so we can use not here. The teacher said to the students, never waste your time. The teacher advised the students never to waste their time. Okay. The student said to the teacher, please check my answer book. Okay. The student said to the teacher, please check my answer book. Okay, or we can write here, please check my homework. Homework. Okay, so we can use please, we can use kindly, right? So the student requested the teacher to check his homework. Okay. The student requested the teacher to check his homework. Okay. So we have to remove kindly or please, okay, when we convert it into indirect, okay, or so it was imperative sentences. Okay, if we talk about some typical sentences, okay, like she said to her friend, good morning. Some typical sentences. Okay. So how to convert? She wished her friend good morning. Good morning. Okay. She wished her friend good morning. Okay. Next example. She said to her friend good morning. How are you? Okay. She said to her friend good morning. Okay. And how are you? Okay. So she wished her friend good morning. Okay. And asked how she was. Okay. She wished her friend good morning and asked how she was. Okay. So these are some typical sentences. Okay. So friends, today we discussed that we discussed about imperative sentences or and some typical sentences. In imperative sentences, okay, we will use request, order, advise, okay, forbid, okay. So all these things come under imperative sentences, okay, and these are the examples of some typical sentences. Okay, I hope you must have got knowledge. Thank you very much.